Well, we're searching for the lost Jimmy Irwin, and hopefully we'll find him. We searched all day yesterday, no luck, and we're back out here again this morning, doing our best to find the elusive Jimmy Irwin. So maybe we'll find him today.
Ground underneath my boot heels burns right through my soul, right through my weary soul. Wildfire travels on a wavering wind through a field of broken dreams. Your memory flies through my restless heart on falling angels' wings. And I wish I could have stayed, I wish I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. Some build their homes on the shifting sands beneath those shooting stars, some bright and shining star. A woman like you was born in love with a kind and gentle hand, but I was born a rolling stone and I'll die a rambling man. And I wish I could have stayed, I wish I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. Someday you may forgive me for...
All right, we got a turtle. Who is it?
Here.
And it's a new one.
It's a big female.
All right, look at that. Let's see, has it been marked? Nope, this is brand new. All right, who found it?
Greta.
All right, Greta.
Yeah, I thought you had me a big turtle, huh? You good boy. I thought you had a big turtle.
But I can't deny the wanderlust and the call of the open road, out on the open road. I wish I could have stayed, I wish I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. I wish I could have stayed, I wish I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. Well, a rambling man is a rambling man is a rambling, rambling man. $2 bill. That's why I'm here tonight. I got time to kill. I want to tell my story about 20 times. And put it in the jukebox, one dime at a time. $2 in the jukebox, a dime at a time. Sing the same old songs about love, gone till closing time. $2 ought to do to me, running you by the wine, and we'll put it in the jukebox, one dime at a time. If I sit down, misery lies $2 in the jukebox, a dime at a time. Sing the same old songs about love gone wrong till closing time. $2 ought to do me, honey, you buy the wine, and we'll put it in the jukebox, one dime at a time. $2 in the jukebox, a dime at a time. Sing the same old songs about love gone home till closing time. $2 ought to do me, honey, you buy the wine.
Jimmy's been missing for about 2 months. Last time we saw him was the middle of July. So we don't know where he has gone. He could have gone on walkabout and he's miles from here by now, or his transmitter could have failed. So that's why we brought in John and his dogs to try and locate him so we can see if it was the transmitter. But now it's looking like we're not having any luck finding him, so it's looking like maybe he has decided to move on. But maybe he will come back. This transmitter's batteries will last another year, so hopefully he'll turn up. But I'm not going to lose hope until the batteries are exhausted. So I'll keep checking between now and then, once a week, and keep y'all posted.
Then we'll put it in